Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to check battery level on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. So sometimes you can find it right on your watch face if it includes the battery tab, but mine is not, so let's solve this problem. Let's just switch to another watch face, or we can edit it just by using this edit option. And here, if we scroll till the complications, we can add battery widgets here. For example, let's replace this timer to battery. For that, I'm just gonna scroll through all of the options to find the battery, and here it is. Select it. Now select widget, confirm by clicking the digital crown, and now the changes will be saved and you'll be able to check your battery percentage right from your watch face. Here it is. I have 61% currently. Also, you can trigger the control center by pressing the side button, and here you will find your battery percentage as well, right underneath the Wi-Fi. Just tap it to see, and here it is. And as an additional way, you can just open settings and here find the battery section. And you'll also be able to see your battery percentage and also check the battery health. For example, enable or disable optimized charge limit, and here see your maximum capacity of the watch. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.